Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying macOS and that you're signed into the correct Apple ID. This prevents changing the wrong profile. Once confirmed, open System Settings or System Preferences on older macOS and click your name at the top to access Apple ID controls. Make sure the photo you plan to use is already accessible in Photos or Finder and is roughly square. This helps avoid unexpected cropping. Next, locate the current avatar thumbnail at the top left of the Apple ID panel to begin replacing it. Now you actually change the image. Click the avatar thumbnail and pick Camera, Photos, or Browse to import one from Finder. If you use Camera, take a clear headshot. If Photos or Browse, select the file and use the macOS crop/zoom tool to position the subject. Rotate and fine-tune in Preview before confirming if the built-in options aren't enough. Once you press Save or Done, the system uploads the new avatar to iCloud, so your other Apple devices will receive the update automatically. Finish by checking the new picture on your other devices. Sometimes mail, messages, or contacts need a restart to reflect changes. If the image doesn't sync, sign out and back into iCloud or toggle the relevant iCloud sync options. This forces a fresh upload. Occasionally, you'll need to reboot the Mac or log out of Messages and back in to clear caches. If problems persist, verify Apple ID details and network connectivity. Resolving those two issues usually fixes sync delays and ensures.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.